Well, welcome back, everyone. It was another incredible day in markets, and we are left still in a very similar spot to where we were yesterday, where there has been bullish improvement, but the Nasdaq continues to remain underneath the champion trend sell zone trail line, albeit making it very near and very close to it in today's trade. We did come within, a 10 to a dozen points away from that trail line that was perforated several days ago. We did get a wealth signal, but then we got some disruption in the champion cross indication. We're back on champion cross and champion cross only with a champion trend sell zone trail line still there. Nonetheless, the primary market, the S&P E-minis, have made it up and through a key level. Now, what I'm going to do is just expand these charts so that we're focused in on the on chart primarily. And what you've got on screen right now is the champion trend pack toolkit and a few of the other tools that we use, some of the marketplace indications. So a little bit more than normal on your screens, but I wanted to bring it all together for you here to go. You've got the S&P migrating out of a sell signal state into a buy signal state at end of day. We've got a target of 52.52 and 53.12 midline target that takes us darn near close to the all-time highs. This is still a resistance zone that we're walking through and working through. And the SPY is still in a spot where, if you want to think about it in terms of the SPY, close to that round number resistance. So I want to be exceptionally clear. It's improved, but we still have the last man standing waiting to cross the threshold. The technical signals on time frames that are a little less than a day for the NQ in particular, like the hourly chart, are indeed more encouraging. So if I take a look at that, I can see very clearly here for the hourly time frame that we are in a signal state that has room to grow, and it's a positive signal state on the hourly chart. Now, the hourly chart typically signals out 3 to 6 hours, but this is the end of the day, and a positive signal state is where we were left. So that is encouraging. And I did get to do some live trading in front of members today, very early in the morning with folks in the Hour of Power. Took a shot, was not able to get positive on that. I think was down about a point, and I'm only doing one contract trading here. Was able to do the rest of the trades as the day progressed, and got just shy of $300 in terms of profit on the day, just about 287.50 ounces with real live money, of course. However, what I do might not be right for you. Consult your registered financial advisor. Past performance is not an indication of future results or past track record. So always risk first before reward. Now, what's good to know is that signal state improvement. And what's also important to note very, very clearly, if one is sitting back and trying to figure out whether they are in the right spot, whether they want to look at this as a breakout and continue, we're still moving into major resistance. And at the start of the week, I came to you and I gave you an idea of flight path through a variety of videos. And we can see, utilizing what's on screen right now, that we are still in a state where we've done a little bit better than the top end of my flight path. We're chewing into highs, but the remaining flight path is set for down. So is that something that I am concerned about? Yes, I am, because the metrics that got me to those got me to that flight path is it's virtually still the same. It hasn't changed. So I have to offer up a short-lived higher high is on the horizon here. Last man standing notwithstanding, we have to actually see that break. So withstanding, not notwithstanding, we have to see that break. And that can happen in the overnight to pre-market session. The momentum does exist. The signaling on that hourly chart says it may actually happen before tomorrow morning, cash hour start. Now, keep in mind, a move above there may not react the same way as it has in the past, where shorts cover, because there may not be as many after last week's gun up in the market. So we've got to take it very carefully up as we are moving into that thicket of resistance. Now, this Wednesday, yesterday actually, we had a really great response to a brand new session that was done for the very first time by our options guru, Stacy Brovitz. And by popular demand, we're going to be doing that again, and we're going to be doing that on Saturday. And I wanted to invite you to it because it's in a market just like this, where we're pushed up against highs, where it makes all the difference to have the right signaling, the right tools, and of course, great ideas that are not normally spotted by most traders. So folks loved the educational session that Stacy did on Wednesday. We're going to be doing it again this Saturday, May the 11th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Go to becomebettertrader.com/yes and get your seat. They're going fast. Looking forward to seeing you there. Have an incredible rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.